Here's a great song to get us going, get the voices working, and remind us of the beautiful place that we live in the world, Lancashire. All you're going to need to do is repeat after me. So give yourselves a bit of space, roll those shoulders back, a nice deep sniff in of that beautiful flower, and out, and one more time in, and out, and finally get hold of that volume control on your tummy. Can you turn it to about a number 5, right smack bang in the middle for me, please? Brilliant. You got it set number 5? Here we go. You sing after me. Everywhere we go, people want to know who we are and where we come from. So we tell them we're from Lancashire. Lovely, lovely Lancashire. And if they can't hear us, we sing a little louder. Get hold of it. Let's go to a number 7 this time, everybody. Up we go, roll those shoulders back. Final time. Everywhere we go, people want to know who we are and where we come from. So we tell them we're from Lancashire. Lovely, lovely Lancashire. And if they can't hear us, it's the end! Well done, guys. Now you may come up with your own version of that song. Where are you from? What's your town called? What's your school called? See if you can come up with your own verse for Everywhere We Go.